has come. Let's just run. We've only just begun. So let's just run.
Bye-bye, Kat! I-check! Ano nangyari?
Time has finally come. So let's just run.
We are going on a 12-day trip to Vietnam. We're flying to Da Nang first, and then we're gonna visit Hoi An, Hanoi, Sapa, and then Ho Chi Minh. So excited. Let's go. Finally, we are in the boarding gates after a super duper long line in the check-in counters. Anyway, I'm thinking of doing a mini Vietnam series for all of you because it's my first time there and I want to share with you how it's like to travel in Vietnam. Just waiting for our boarding announcement. So before boarding, I make sure if I already have my eSIM. So that's one pro tip or travel tip before I board the plane or even before you go to the airport. I make sure to really have my eSIM ready so that when the plane lands, instantly you'll get connected or you'll have data so you can update your loved ones or check your emails, work mails, or whatsoever. So I prefer having an eSIM already. And if you've been watching my travel videos or if you're watching my vlogs, I always mention this eSIM app called UBG, and I highly recommend it to everyone. One of the most reliable connection out there. Top up before you fly so you can already use your data once you land. Once the plane lands, automatic you'll be connected. You don't need to click on anything or process anything. So think of it this way, UBG is like your one eSIM and you can use it across all borders, all cities or countries. All you have to do is top up or choose the data plan you need. For as low as 1 gig to unlimited data plans, they have it, so it's up to you. And I've been using UBG every single time I travel, and that's why I wanna start the video by recommending it because super duper reliable ng connection. Especially as a content creator, I always need to upload videos, photos, I watch clips and all. Yun lang. I'm gonna try to link it in the description box, but yeah. Airport now and we booked the fast track because ayan, ang daming mga dito placards. Ayan! Yay! And ang cool ng weather. Currently, it's 24 degrees Celsius. You don't need a jacket, honestly, pagpapawisan ka. Cool yung air, so parang presko siya, ganun. So, June booked this transfer via Klook. And you know the drill. I have my code just in case you need it. Okay, finally we are checking in. Our hotel for today is Mercure Hotel. Mercure Hotel, Da Nang French Village, Bana Hills. So, ayan. I'm gonna explain everything later, but this is just their, I think, lobby. But we are going to ride a cable car on the way to the hotel. So, this is not it. Yes, magka-cable car po with the luggage. So, let's go. Cable car ticket price, not included in the hotel booking.
Red number 1, you go to cable car right now.
Okay. May fast track kapag nakabook yung hotel. Pero ba't may maleta rin sila? Hindi ko alam bakit niya kami pinapasingit. Ah! Hindi natin siya binigyan ng tip. Ang bilis ng pangyayari, magbibideo pa ako. Ang bilis guys nung buwelo nung cable car. Oh my God, ang saya! It's such an experience na madala din natin yung mga maleta natin dito. Ay, ito yung famous na falls! Ooh, oh my God, babe, ang ganda! Ang saya, guys! Wow! This is the famous waterfalls here in Bana Hills. You know what, guys? Mas maganda siya in person than nakita ko siya sa kahit anong videos na nakita ko.
Cool, no?
Ang ganda niya!
Kilometer or ganyan talaga?
Yan na, hindi ko alam eh. Cool. Yung buwelo ng mga cable car nila dito, guys, pang ano? Pang roller coaster. Di ba parang... Parang ganun. Someone na hindi mahilig sa touristy place, kami ni Jun, hindi kami mahilig sa mga, di ba, hindi tayo masyadong fan ng mga touristy place. Talagang kinonsider namin hindi na to puntahan. Actually, wala to sa initial itinerary, pero happy ako na nagpunta tayo, babe. Nice na experience. Natatakot na siya. Gusto ko lang sabihin, sobrang haba. Hanggang ngayon hindi pa tapos, kanina pa kami dito. Oh my God, guys, tingnan nyo. Kumakapit na yung isa dito. Life update, we still here. This time around, wala na pong makita. Puro fog na. Oh! Sobrang taas! What? Ka-level natin yung clouds! Straight from the cable car is this escalator. Wow! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ang ganda! Parang kang na-transport sa ibang world, ganon. After mo mag-cable car, oo. Maganda. Okay, we're gonna check in first, then explore. Finally, we are in our hotel room. So, ayan, quick recap lang before I give you a mini hotel room tour. First things first, ito yung pinakabago sa akin. So, sa mga Vietnam airports pala, they have this thing called Fast Track Pass or Fast Track. So, parang ito siya. And it helps na ma-skip mo yung immigration line. So, it turns out sobrang haba ng mga immigration line sa mga airports nila. I've heard Ho Chi Minh is mahaba. So, honestly, hindi talaga namin sana ibubook yung Fast Track for Danang Airport. But good thing June bought the Fast Track, I think a day ago lang. Kasi kung hindi, baka hindi kami umabot mag-check-in dito sa hotel natin. So, fun fact, yung hotel natin, kailangan mo kasing mag-cable car ride pa before you can go here. And yung cable car ride, guys, it will close at 4:30 p.m. And yung landing namin is 1:10 p.m. And also, yung travel time from airport to the cable car ride is at 45 minutes. Ganon kung walang traffic and all. So, medyo kabado kami. If di kami aabot, di kami makaka-check-in dito. There's no other way but cable car talaga. Nakita nyo naman kung gaano kataas yung cable car. So, ayun. I think if you are booking the same hotel, you really need a fast pass, especially kung clutch yung time nyo. But if not naman, di kayo nagmamadali, baka you can skip it. Nabili namin siya for around 2,500 pesos via Klook. Honestly, meron pang parang faster track. Ako lang, imbento ko lang yun. Pero kasi parang nakapila na kami sa fast track. Pero meron pang sumingit na parang mas mabilis na group sa aming nauna pa sa amin, ganun. So, hindi ko alam talaga yung mga sistema. Honestly, I don't understand why may ganon, pero sobrang accepted siya and yun talaga yung culture or yung ways doon sa airport. So, ayun. Pero, nawiwirdohan na pa rin ako. Okay, so second lesson of the day, book your airport transfers. Huwag kayong mag-grab or makipag-usap to avoid miscommunication, scams, maraming scam, and parang overpricing dun sa airport. Pagkalabas namin from the baggage area, baggage claim, medyo naguguluhan ako. I don't know if nagkasabay-sabay lang ba yung mga flights sa Danang nagland na sobrang daming tao talaga. So ayun, booking an airport transfer, mas naging hassle-free siya kasi parang nakapaskill na doon yung name namin and parang nag-hi na lang kami sa rider, pinakita namin yung booking and then all set, pumunta na kami sa car. Unlike booking a Grab and then ika-cancel daw nila yun. And basta mas prone pa sa scam kung hindi kayo magbo-book. Honestly guys, it was a late booking again. Before boarding the plane, doon lang kami nag-book sa check-in counters. It turns out sa Klook guys, you can still book an airport transfer up to 1 hour before your pickup time. So nag-book lang kami same day to day and okay naman naka-print yung name namin and dinala naman kami dito sa Bana Hills, 'di ba ni Kuya, and sobrang smooth lang. And last but not the least, the most important thing that you need to do is of course to top up or ready nyo na yung eSIM nyo before landing or before flying to Vietnam. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo sa airport kanina na very important that you already have a data once the plane lands so that you can update yung airport transfer mo or yung fast track mo if may mga messages yung mga na-book mo, and also of course yung loved ones mo or yung work mo. So si June, inon niya na agad yung kanyang eSIM pagka-land namin para makontakt niya and ma-update niya yung airport transfer namin na we are here, blah 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 blah. So perfect kasi actually hindi ko na-try yung airport yung wifi sa airport ng Danang, so I don't have a clue kasi eSIM na agad ni Jun yung ginamit namin. As for me, hindi ko pa siya inoon kasi I wanna show you how to do it. So again guys, I'm using this app called UBG and I've been using this for a year already. Kasi yun nga, sabi ko nga sa inyo, parang ito na lang yung eSIM ko for every single country na I go to. Like top up na lang ako ng top up every single time. So hindi na hassle na bibili na naman ako, maghahanap na naman ako ng bagong eSIM or magre-rent ako ng pocket wifi, kukunin ko, pipila ko, hahanapin ko kung saan, and then pag uuwi na ako, ibabalik ko pa siya or malilimutan ko pang ibalik yung mga pocket wifi. So for me, it's best. Highly recommend ko na you download na lang this eSIM app. I'm using an iPhone, so click lang yung cellular, and then ito, di ba meron akong UBG dito, used as UBG, turn on this line, and then pagka turn on ng line mo, click cellular data, tapos click nyo lang is yung UBG. And then instantly, magagamit nyo na agad si UBG. Off natin yung Wi-Fi and let's turn on yung cellular data. Ayan, ito na si cellular data. So marami silang promos, alam nyo na yan, from 1 gig, 2 gig, to unlimited data plans, they have it. And I love it kasi if ever man na magta-transfer kayo ng country, hindi na kayo bibili ng bagong eSIM ulit. So ayun guys, basta naka-top up na kayo, automatic na yan pag in-on nyo yung cellular data nyo and ginamit nyo yung UBG na eSIM, meron na kayo agad na internet. So, yeah, 3 very important things you need to know before flying sa Danang Airport. So far, I'm gonna update you because we are also flying to Hanoi Airport and Ho Chi Minh, kung ano yung estado doon. Also, I'm gonna link everything in the description box, yung mga kung saan kayo bibili ng fast track, saan kami nag-book ng airport transfer. So, para alam niyo na, may idea kayo. Also, you can use my code. This is my discount code for Klook, Hazel Klook, and this is my discount code for UBG Hazel. Yan. So anyway, I'll give you a quick room tour. We have here the view of the theme park. So I think ito yun na yung French Village. Literal na nasa first floor kami. Feeling ko mas maganda kung nasa upper floors kami para hindi naman literal na ka-level. I mean, kitang-kita yung mga dumadaan na tao. Pero anyway, that's okay. We have here a mini sofa, vanity table or working desk, TV, and 2 twin beds. Feeling ko ito yung magko-connect sa kabilang room if may family member kayo. Of course, we have the vault, pantry, and the fridge. Tapos here, it's a plus that they have iron and iron stand kasi hindi ko na-iron yung mga gamit ko. And next, this is our washroom. Open siya, guys. And hello, everyone. I think this one is yung toilet and this one naman is yung shower. O, diba? Shower area. And then, the toilet area. Okay, so this is our hotel. Yan. And this is the area. Actually, hindi siya masyadong crowded now. Ang ganda. So this is the French Village. They also have a lot of stores, souvenir stores here. mga kainan. I think yun is burger area. Ito yung breakfast area natin tomorrow. Of course, guys, nanood ako ng mga travel vlogs sa Bana Hills kasi medyo expensive yung hotel than usual. Sa Danang area, city center, around 1,000 pesos. May hotel na kayo na maganda na beachfront. Kasi ito si Mercure, around 5,000, 4,000 pesos. Pero sobrang ganda niya in person than the videos. So it's a really nice experience, especially if you're a family. Ang saya ng cable car. Try natin yung activities dito tomorrow. Nandito din yung famous na Golden Bridge na may kamay. And then the Alpine Coaster. So yung mga restaurants dito, sadly, magsasara sila at around mga 4 to 5 p.m. Kasi nga syempre yung cable car hanggang 4:30 lang. Mukhang masarap tong Vietnamese na restaurant na to. Oh my God, bunja! Kung ako order ito or ito, spring rolls. Oh my God. So, ayun nga lang guys. Medyo, pag nagstay ka dito, wala kang ibang choice kundi kumain dun sa mga open na restaurants ng hotel. May 3 silang restaurants na open, di ba? So, I'm just gonna buy coconut kasi sobrang hilig ko sa buko, guys. Ooh.
Cash only.
Cash? Card lang kami meron ni June. Well, meron kaming Korean won, meron kaming USD. Pero yun pa pala isang learning, guys. Wala pong akong nakitang foreign exchange counter sa airport. As in, wala akong nakita. Sobrang bilis nga talaga ng pangyayari. Meron naman dun sa hotel, pero I'm not sure with the rates. I'm gonna check later. Papakita ko sa inyo. Hindi kasi kami nagpalit ng Vietnamese dong sa Korea kasi sobrang talo talaga. Like 20% yung talo. Alam niyo guys, first few minutes ko pa lang dito sa Bana Hills, I would say it's a must visit. Ang napupuntahan ko pa lang is itong French Village area. Gusto ko lang explore yung city ng Danang, where the locals eat, where the locals go, yung mga best spots nila doon sa may beach, ganun yung vibe ko. But I'm so glad we made it here in Bana Hills. Usually guys, dine-day tour lang to, pero kami nagstay kami kasi if you stay sa Mercure Hotel, you get to have an early access sa cable car and dun sa theme park. So mas masosolo mo kasi nagiging crowded yung Golden Bridge, di ba? So, ayun. Ang bait ng mga experience namin sa mga Vietnamese. Pinaupo niya ako, sit down daw. And umupo na daw ako dito at binigay niya na. June, siguraduhin mong may makukuha kang cash kasi kung hindi, hinigop ko na to. Oh my God, ang sarap. Na-miss ko to. Nakabayan ako kay June, ah. Pag yun walang nagkuhang Vietnamese tong, hindi ko alam paano ako. Papaakyatin nila ako sa puno para mag-ano neto. Kumuha ng bagong buko. Ang masasabi ko lang, tumatahimik na, parang umaalis na yung mga tao. Feeling ko kasi last cable car ride na in a few. And lumalamig na din, guys. As in. And guys, isipin nyo, solong-solo niya siya once the crowds are out. Diba? Sobrang worth it magstay. Paalis na yung mga tao, wala na. Okay, so it turns out, ayun na si June, guys. Ang nangyari is, wala daw Vietnamese dong ang hotel. Sabi nila yung souvenir store daw, tumatanggap ng USD and magsusukli sila ng Vietnamese dong. So, ito na lang. So, ayun guys, please take note of this. I think it's best talaga nga na mag-withdraw na lang sa ATM. May nakita na kaming ATM doon. Ang problem namin is, hindi naman gumana yung card ko. So, I think this is the souvenir shop. We are gonna buy something na lang. Hopefully, something na useful. Okay. What if Vietnamese ka hat? Ito. 115,000 Vietnamese dong. Ano ito? Ayan! Okay, ito na. Perfection. Pero wala siyang yung ganun. Ganito bang ba talaga yun? Wala siyang yung parang tali. Feeling ko this is it. Kinlame ko na siya. USD? And can you give me Vietnamese dong? Thank you. Oh, cute! Pinapapili niya ako ng yellow. Yellow favorite color ko. May iba pang kulay. Orange. Ang lungkot ng brown yellow. Yellow. Maano sila sa camera dito, in fairness. Ang babait nila dito. Ang cute nila. Thank you. Oh! Thank you! Honest naman siguro sila, hindi ko na binilang. Hindi ko na alam. Mamaya na tayo magkwentahan, Diyos ko! Ang cute ng nabili ko! Matatawa si John dito. Wait lang, tatakbo na rin ako. Gusto niyo yun? Yung jacket ko, China exclusive, yung hat ko Vietnamese. Hindi ko na alam anong persona to. Oh, diba? Xin chào! Tal! Hindi ko alam anong bibilin ko eh. Okay ba? Cute! Diba? Gusto ko pa. Magkano kaya? Magkano?
120,000.
Magkano yung 120,000? Hindi ko na yan binilang. Kung ano na lang binigay nila sa akin.
Happy ka din, babe.
Sobra! Hindi ko alam yung bibiling ko. At least ito magagamit ko. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Inantay niya lang kami.
Mahal yung buko, 135 pesos.
135 pesos? Ganun din naman sa Pilipinas kapag nasa tourist place ka.
Grabe.
Bus na nga yung akin eh. Guys, ang saya. Bukas pa yung Bumcar. Ang daming rides. I asked yung staff, guys, and free daw to. So, I think kasama na siya sa cable car ticket. Gusto ko sana sumakay eh. Kaso guys, masakit to yung ulo ni June, so ayaw niyang sumakay. Trentahin! Okay guys, so may mga events din pala during nighttime. For the hotel guests na lang to, no? So, ayan. Ito guys, isa sa mga open na food stalls nila. Hey! Ikaw si Jax! Nakyat namin to. Ito yung fountain. Grabe, sobrang daming picture spots. As in, super nice. Gusto ko ulit ng buko. Wala, may buko ice cream. Oh my God, baby. Ito yung menu nila.
Buko-buko.
Buko-buko. Kaso, konti lang cash natin. Di tayo pwede mag-hoard ng buko. Okay guys, so ito pala yung price for the buffet dinner. Ayan, screenshot nyo na lang. Parang feeling ko fineflex nila yung lobster, no? Na may lobster sa loob. So, ayun. So, this is the whole map of Bana Hills. Ayan. I think yung only con lang na naiisip ko is yun nga, very restricted ka in terms of where you'll eat. Kasi una, medyo expensive yung dinner buffet. Yung beer market, okay naman siya. Kaso nga, medyo ang daming nag-cigarette. So, ayokong kumain doon. Very open space. Tapos may isa pa eh. Yung Chinese actually okay lang din naman. Ito pala yung famous na Pop Mart store here in Bana Hills. Clouds ba yan? Parang bed of clouds. Yan o, yung area na yan. Ang ganda! Parang ka-level mo na yung clouds. May umupo pa dito para i-enjoy. Oh my God, guys! First time seeing this. First time ko makakita ng ganito. Hindi naman kasi ako nag-hike. Welcome to Bana Hills. I'll take a look at you and taking me out in the ordinary. Pumasok kami sa random na building. I think this is called Eclipse Plaza. And ang cool kasi merong ganito. Kaso, alam mo kung ano yung problema? Malapit nang mas matangkad sa akin yung railing. Sabi nila wala ng cable car, pero ba't parang gumagalaw pa yung mga cable car dun? Ayun o, diba? Ang daming tao na dinidator to. Okay naman, pero
Mas maganda siya babaran.
oo, ang saya lang mag-chill.
Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster, you're messing with my head.
We are walking towards our dinner place. Ito na siya, Mercure Hotels. Yan, ito yung buffet dinner. Mini buffet tour. We have grilled pork cake, spring rolls, and one of my favorite Vietnamese food, banh seo. Sobrang happy ko guys kasi yung kinikrave ko talaga is bún cha, and meron dito! On this side, sobrang dami din. From pizza, grilled seafood, grilled vegetables, and sauces. So they also have some sushi bar here, fresh seafood. They also have cheese and cold cut station, salad bar. Oh my God, meron din sila neto. Nakikita ko lang to sa Rome. Parmesan cheese. Di ba parang dyan nilalagay yung pasta? Oh my God, ratatouille! Vongole pasta mussels. Parang ang fresh, grabe. Okay, they have duck, sea bass, stir-fried pork, and many more. Sobrang dami, guys. Cute! Chocolate fondue with fruits and marshmallow. We have fruits. Oh my God! And the best part, ice cream! May coconut ice cream, vanilla, strawberry, chocolate. Ang laki ng buffet! Overall, guys, ito siya. Yan, may cake din pala sila, guys. Wow. Lobster din i-deliver na.
Juicy, no?
And guys, nag-serve na sila ng lobster per table. So, one talaga per person. Woo! Looks good. Wow! Ang lambot, babe. Good morning. Day 2 here in Bana Hills. Time check, it's around 5:30 a.m. Mga 5:35, mga ganon. First cable car ride is at 6 a.m. Open siya for guests of the hotel, kaya nag-book talaga kami dito. The weather is 15 degrees, no? Tinatawanan niya ako kasi feeling niya nilalamig ako. Pero, lolo, hindi mo ba alam saan kami galing? Galing kami sa minus 18. May nakasabay kaming mga Pinoy. Ang saya mag-asawa sila. Ang saya nila, ang vibe nila. Happy-happy. Tapos yung suot lang ni Madam is dress and parang butas-butas na cardigan. So hindi ako nag-iisa na hindi ako masyadong nilalamig. In case ay nagdala lang ako ng jacket ko na fleece, madilim pa talaga. Sobrang aga natin. Oh my God, grabe yung horizon, tol! Oh my God! Oh my God, ang ganda!
Kita ba?
Hindi masyado, pero gets na nila yan. Thank you po dun sa dalawang Filipinong mag-asawang sinundan lang namin. Kasi feeling namin dun din sila sa cable car pupunta. Ang ganda! Look! 5:43 a.m. Sobrang aga namin. Pero okay lang kasi ang sarap naman ng weather and ang saya makita yung horizon magbago. O, diba? Close pa lahat ng food stalls. Ay, ito yung nakita ko sa vlog ni Ivan, guys. Mga massage chairs. Ano to? Sauna? Ooh. Open na! Okay, so they are opening this for the guests. So, ang haba na ng pila, guys. As in. So, ang dami palang nagsistay talaga, no? Para sa Golden Bridge to. Ah! Let's go! Sa labas na. Di ba parang... Okay, mabilis lang. Sakto lang. Sakto lang. Masyado eh. Ang ganda! So, 3 beses for the guests. 6 to 6:05, 6:30 to 6:35, and 7 to 7:05. And then, mag-open na siya for the whole world ng 8:30. Tama? So, ang dami mong time. Meron kang 3 hours talaga. Let's run! Oh my God! Ito na! Oh my God, ito na siya agad. Ang ganda! Wow! Maganda siya, babe! Wow! Oh my God! Wow! Ganda ng mga tao! Let's go!
Chasing the unknown. Wherever it may take us, wherever it may lead. Chasing the unknown.
Okay, so yung mga Pinoy na nakita natin kanina, dito sila talaga unang tumakbo. Wow! What a view of the hands! Hala, napakagandang view! Guys, I did not expect this to be this beautiful. As in, I think the photos don't give this any justice, even videos. And ichichismis ko sa inyo ng onte na nag-propose. Oh my God, yung kasabay natin, nag-propose siya dun sa, yung Pilipino na sa harapan natin. Hindi naman niya sinabi, sana inabangan natin din, no?
Yung moment na lang, ba't kami kay Evan?
Hindi, I mean, parang pa-video, gano'n. Nag-set up naman siya, di ba? Anyway, ayan na yung sunrise. Ang ganda. Oh, winner talaga. Oh my God, guys. I can't believe this. Nawawala yung Osmo Pocket 3 ko. Kanina pa, actually. Okay, guys. Time check. It's 7:30 a.m. and I just lost my camera with all of the footage. We've been looking for it sa lahat ng areas na pwede siyang mawala. Pero napaka-imposible kasi niyang basta-bastang mawala or mapatong kasi wala masyadong mapapatungan dito. It's 7:30. I don't wanna ruin the day. Good thing I have this camera. But I'm so sad kasi we woke up at around 5 a.m. to give you the best view of Bana Hills. Sobrang ganda ng videos na na-take doon. So, I'm so frustrated. I really hope makuha siya and sana may nakapulot na lang. So kung isiping nahulog siya Nahulog siya, hindi namin napansin may nakapulot. And baka busy pa yon, hindi pa niya nababalik. Okay, we're back here. So from the hotel, it's just 5 minutes walk to the cable car para makapunta sa Golden Bridge area. Hindi na kami nakapunta sa Buddha and all, guys. Pasensya na.
What time you lost?
Around 6:18. 6:20 a.m. Okay, so we are now heading to the breakfast. Yung breakfast nila is at Letable. And ang sweet nila because the staff are trying to help. So now let's eat breakfast. Yes! Oh, thank you so
But
much.
now you can come back to the station 11 to receive it.
They found it! I love Vietnam! I love Vietnam! I love it! Saya ko. Yun nga eh. Alam mo kung bakit, guys? Yung mga tourists din nakasama namin kasi nung time na nawala siya around 6:20 a.m., mga Koreans. So talagang parang alam namin walang may pake, pero bakit wala siya dun sa Golden Bridge? Guess nyo ba yun? So feeling ko nga, may
Kinuha,
nakapulot
tapos
na agad. Oo, binalik na agad. And sobrang daming staff sa area eh. So, grabe, I'm so happy. Kasi guys, hindi ko ever ma-imagine paano. Okay, breakfast muna bago kunin ang camera. This is the breakfast place. Oh, they have this. Ayan, it's called Bunbo. Beef noodle soup siya, parang ganun. So this is the breakfast station, I think, and eggs, bacons, hash brown, kamatis, and they have banh mi. As a Filipina girl, I'm gonna get some rice. They also have fried rice, vegetables, also have pancit, chicken curry, ayan, beans and carrots and corn, sausage, mandu. Try natin tong ban botlok. Pastries, donuts, muffins, and this is the bread counter. And then they also have coffee. Let's eat. This is my plate. Kuha lang ako ng congee din. Sobrang curious ko ano to. Parang ano siya, sticky na rice paper. And then, meron siyang laman na we don't know what's this. Siguro naman hindi to. Ang laman niya I think ay shrimp. Yum. I don't know what's this. Hindi ko siya mabasa. For sure it's a Vietnamese dish kasi pag may Vietnamese dish nakalagay doon eh. As a Filipina girl, nalulaki sa Filipino household, dinudurog ko yung aking patatas. Okay, si June kumuha ng sticky rice and condensed milk. Tapos sabi ko, ano to? Pagkatikim ko, so good. Ang sarap. Okay, first banh mi experience here in Danang. Banh mi to ng hotel, guys. So, feeling ko may mas sasarap pa dito, but let's try. Kasi hindi ako fan ng banh mi. Masarap. Wala naman ako reklamo. Hindi ko alam eh. I mean, wala ako to compare. Yum! Okay, let's ride the Alpine Coaster! Welcome! Ang ganda dito. Pero nasaan na yung Alpine Coaster? Sarado pa ba? Parang dito pala yung entrance ng Alpine Coaster. So, free rin tong world na to? Itong indoor na theme park? Para siyang Lotte World, no? Ang saya, ang daming gagawin. Ito, Alpine Food and Beverage. Alpine Coaster! Ayun! Saan ako punta? Ticket counter, so may extrang bayad, no? Like, here. Yung 70,000 Vietnamese dong, 8:30 to 9:30 lang siya. May mga happy hour lang. And then 4:30 to 5:30. So, technically para siyang for hotel guest talaga. And then 9:30 onwards, 100,000 dong. Hindi ako sure saan mapipil ko. Para ako na si CR. So joke. Nakain mo pa. Yeah. Dito ka sa kabilang side. Walang seatbelt? Wait! Oh my gosh. Help me. Oh my God! Hindi ako titingin. Ayoko talagang tumingin. Oh my God! Hindi ko kaya! Hindi ko kaya! Hindi ko talaga kaya! Hindi mo pa pinibilisan! Hindi ako natutuwa. Nakapikit ako. Ayoko na. Nakapikit na lang ako. Natatakot ka na rin. Oh my God, nakakatakot. Pero masaya. Hindi na tayo pang ganito. Ayoko na. Gumigilid kasi, babe. Huwag mo pagilirin. Oh my God! Babe, mas masarap! Oh my God! Ganda though. Ganda. Lakas na ng loob magsalita ng maganda. We made it back and bibilin namin yung photo. Ganun talaga ako, guys. Ang hilig kong bilhin lagi yung photo, kung ano man yung experience. So, ang dami namin collection ni Jun ng mga gantong pictures from our travels from Universal Studios, ganyan. Ay, ang ganda! So nice! I love it! Bana Hills. Ang dami na natin ganto. Okay, time check. It's 8:43 a.m. and we are done. Of course, guys, you can try all the rides there. Ikot pa kayo, bump car, what else, yung flying fiesta. Pero kami, happy na kami. For the trentahin, ang mga people. Checkout time sa hotel is at 10:30 a.m. We are going to Hoi An. Okay, guys. Let's stroll around the French Village. Yan, mag-open pa lang sila. 8:43? Ay, palapag na yung mga yung mga day tours, ganon. Okay, just a fun fact as to why French Village yung inspiration nitong Bana Hills. So it turns out, nung unang panahon, parang itong area ng Bana Hills, ginawang base ng mga French kasi nga medyo mainit sa Danang. So itong mga mountains na to, medyo malamig siya. So dito yung parang base nila. And then nung umalis na sila dito, parang nasira naman siya. So parang ni-revive siya ni Sun World. We're going back. We're riding the cable car to get the camera. Let's go. Para tong maglo-launch ng roller coaster. Hindi ka takot? Okay siya. Okay. Chill siya. Sanay na tayo. The locals of Bana Hills. Ano kaya yung yellow na yan, babe? Saan yan pupunta? We're here. Just a short cable car ride. Kunin lang talaga natin, guys, yung ating camera. We got the camera back! Thank you so much po. Thank you. Okay, so, papakita ko lang quickly May Starbucks dito and a lot of souvenir shops, stores, ice cream store. Open na sila. Okay, we're going back kasi tapos naman na tayo sa Golden Bridge. Yan siya. Wow! Ganda! Nakailang cable car ride tayo ah. Ito yung kanilang transportation dito. We are back in the hotel and we are gonna book a transportation service all the way to our next hotel, which is in Hoi An. I think mga 45 minutes from Da Nang. Okay, so ito yung rates nila guys. Bana to the airport and all. As for us, we're going to Hoi An, so that's about 1.2 na Vietnamese dong. Checking out. We're now off to Hoi An. Wow!
Throw your things away tonight. We'll go a different way, you and me.
And don't worry guys, may nakaabang na staff. Usually, naabangan na yung may mga luggage. Thank you! Ayan. So, mag-rely lang kayo sa kanila kasi they know better. If naka-check-in kayo, as in hanggang hindi kayo pipila sa normal, may tutulong sa inyong staff. Ayan, kaya si na kuya. Ayan, si sir. Very helpful and sobrang bilis, di ba? Pali-pali sila dito. O, di ba? Alam nila eh. Nakasalubong sila agad. Ang galing. Come on. Thank you so much. Hi. Xin chào. So, this is the hotel. And then, we're out. Wala masyadong tour bus, guys. Hindi masyadong crowded.
Lòng gió cầu lắm.
Because it's a Monday today, so feeling ko kaya hindi masyadong maraming tao. It's a prank! Dito pala sila nakapark. Pero konti pa din. Sakto, 10:30, we were able to depart. And also guys, I just wanna emphasize na I really suggest na mag-book kayo in advance ng mga transfers nyo. If not naman kayo mag-book sa Mercury Hotel ng transfer, you can do it via Klook or kung saan man. Compared to parang, di ba, dun pa lang kayo magbo-book ng instantly ng Grab kasi ang hirap nga ng miscommunication. Akala ko nung una maraming marunong mag-English, no? Pero hindi. So, medyo nahirapan kami ng onte. Nagluloko yung Google Translate ko, walang Vietnamese na kung ano man. Bawal mag-record. Okay guys, so final verdict for Bana Hills. For me, kami na lang ni Jun, I'm speaking sa experience naming dalawa. Honestly, napakaganda. And ang swerte namin, ang ganda ng weather ng punta namin. Hindi siya rainy or super foggy na wala ka nang makita. But yung pinaka-magical sa experience namin is nakita namin yung Bana Hills ng sunrise to sunset. And yun talaga feeling ko yung beauty niya. Yun yung best experience. So, ang rating namin is 8 out of 10 for that. Sobrang, for me, worth it magstay talaga sa hotel. If hindi kayo magsistay, sakto lang siya. Kasi ngayon na, it's either kasi tirik yung araw or parang gloomy yung weather, di ba? Or parang nababalutan ng clouds yung parang hills kasi nga ang taas-taas na niya. I would say, 4 out of 10 siya now na super crowded niya. Init mag-ikot, tirik yung araw, tapos parang ang gulo kasi medyo maraming tao. Yun nga ngayon, Monday lang medyo hindi pa siya siksikan. What more kapag, di ba, siksikan or parang peak season dito sa Da Nang. Kung ako lang babalik, necessary sa akin na dun pa rin mag-book ng hotel. If hindi, parang medyo pass ako. Ganun. So, ayun. But still a nice experience kasi honestly guys, kaya ako nasa Da Nang is because gusto ko naman talagang i-explore si Hoi An talaga. Not really parang Bana Hills and all. But it's nice na nabigyan namin siya ng chance this time. So yun, I will link everything in the description box, yung hotel na pinagstayan namin. And meron din pang ibang hotel doon. Actually, parang Hotel de Mercé and Hotel de Paris, I think. And may mga dine-develop pa silang hotels doon. So, ayun. Also, yung tours, yung ticket, and everything else, I will link it for you guys para hindi na kayo mahirapan maghanap. But it's all available sa Klook and you can use my discount code for additional discount, Hazel Klook.